Welcome to Driveway. Today we are going to replace a door. Alright, so the door's out. Now I just got to take down the rails, and that requires a ladder and some quick tools to make it faster. So let's go to town. Okay, so I got all the rails and everything out, spring and everything, but the header, I don't like how the idiot that built this place did that. So we might have to come in there after we get the door up and put a couple 2x4s under there, or 2x6s to support that beam a little better, because that's not good to rely on the support of toe nailing. I don't know what idiot thought that was a good idea, but that is that. Now we can get to hanging the actual new door. Alright, so the instructions rank up there with some of the worst I've ever seen. But anyways, you've got these little brackets and they're numbered from shortest to longest. So the shortest ones go at the bottom, and you just work your way up, and it gives you this, gives you the lean that you need for your garage door. So once I got that shoved on there, then it becomes easy because I've done these before. So you just pretty much start throwing hinges on there and start stacking them. All right, well, I got most of everything all put together. You can see up the top there, new 2x6s there just to strengthen that spring point. I don't know how they managed to put it on, like you can see right about here. The last spring was hooked just to that little toe-nailed 2x6. So I went through and up behind it, right there, ran a whole bar through, and then put this other one on top to get everything out to the even. So got that all lagged in and it's starting to look good. Now all that we have to do is tighten up the torsion springs, and then we'll have ourselves a door. We'll probably also have to get some different molding for the outside, so it'll actually look halfway decent. But I'm thinking that will be for tomorrow, because I'm kind of getting tired of this. Alright, so the next step that we have to do here is wind up the torsion rod. And to do that, they sell a torsion spring winding bars. That's like $9. But all that it is this 1/2-inch steel rod. So pick this up for about $5. We'll just chop her in half and we'll have what we need. And there we go, saved $4. Now I'm going to go outside and do some of the trim work to to make sure that the door doesn't rattle around too much. And then we'll come back up here, wind this thing up, lock her down, and we'll be done. We'll have to switch this one out in probably about a year or so. Alright, so now comes the less than fun part, and that's winding up these springs. Now, according to the box where it gives you those instructions, I need about 9.4 turns. So that's going to kind of suck. We've currently got probably about 1 1/4 turn in it already, just hand tight, and we just tighten her up. Alright, let's just count the yellow spots. So that's 1. There's 2. Whew. That always makes me nervous. That's a lot of energy being shoved in there. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Not too bad. All right, well that's not too bad. Seems to fit quite nicely. Haha! All right, now we just got to put our lock in. Well, I guess that'll do it. It'll hold it. Try to lift it. It'll... Works for me. All right. Alright, so that's definitely going to be it. We got our door. It's insulated and it also has a steel covering over it. I didn't want the one that had the open insulation because you know the amount of sparks we get flying around in here. That and foam insulation does not mix. So, we got our door. We're sitting good. And make sure you subscribed because we're going to get into much more stuff with Crossfire, and I've even got a powder coat oven that I'm planning on building here in a coming episode as well. So make sure to keep me around so you can watch some of that stuff, and I guess I will see you guys later.